Yo, if you ever did doubt me yesterday, when me said JA Radio, I carry feelings for the Fox 5 interview, the man forward out and the man say everything when me predict him did I go say. The man say, yo, I input Vibes Cartel on the map with the Fox 5 interview and Masicka walk away from the Gaza because him no want to be like a popcaan. We're second to Vibes Cartel and can't pass Vibes Cartel. He must say, yo, Masicka want to be the king. So him step away. So him attack it like, oh, Vibes Cartel is separate from the alliance. Him say the same thing Masicka do. People, we are going to reason about it. This is real talk.
This is real talk.
Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo, well, forward back to the brand new channel. This is Real Talk, and I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. And you know what the drill already. If you don't know what say a Real Talk me make, drop a like, comment Real Talk, and subscribe to the channel if a Real Talk me I make. Well, me not make the Real Talk yet, but by the end of the video, you will know if a Real Talk me make. So yo, bro, chat, me there again. Me talk about this yesterday. And it's sealed. So anybody here when me I say yesterday and feel like say, yo, me just say how me feel and my opinion and me just get trouble and bro, JA ready do a next video again. After the video when me react to yesterday, the man forward and do a next video and say, yo, me make my video and me say one bag of people are ball and when me say, you shouldn't take it the way there because if you're not a real Gaza, then you should understand what I say. One bag of hula lela, bro. But the man went on to say a bag of things when me predict say him that go say. So yesterday me connect everything what I do to interview feelings. Vibes Cartel never give my interview and Vibes Cartel kind of cut him off. Vibes Cartel don't cut them off 100% you know, because I think the Vibes Cartel still a follow them and Vibes Cartel must shout out him wife on her birthday and some little things of Vibes Cartel him no 100% cut them off, but more use cut off. Cut off are not the right word because Vibes Cartel would have men fence with a whole heap of people where him did cut off before him go to prison. And you see me someone say cut off, but you see the big affiliation there and the big collaboration with Vibes Cartel would have do with them and the big appreciation with Vibes Cartel would have show them when him forward out. Yeah, Vibes Cartel now show them that collaboration that what them they look for. Them not get it because Vibes Cartel without see and say yo the big channel where them they have with the whole heap of Gaza people and with them build with Gaza people them run well if it turn it in a family channel, turn it in a technology channel and all of them things there and then forward back with a new channel. So Vibes Cartel see the whole of that as me say yesterday say him done pre the whole of that and no say yo them not real. You see me? Them are not really dancehall people like that. You see me? So the whole interview thing bro. Him a carry the interview feelings. You see me? And him say it yesterday. So same format like yesterday. I'm not gonna play him video because he's a man who will strike you because as you do you hurt him feelings. Yeah, I'm gonna strike you if you get back at you. So I'm not gonna play him video. So I'm gonna do I write down some of the things them what him say and I'm gonna just read them out back to you. So the first thing when I notice what him do, him a try compare what Vibes Cartel do with the alliance like him walk well left the alliance and build him own a thing. So him a say yo what Masicka do right now are the same thing Vibes Cartel they do with Bounty Killer. So you must say, yo, what the big deal? What the big problem? Why you can't make Masicka just walk away? So him a word it one way like, him a make it sound like say, yo, Masicka did the inner the Gaza, bro. We all know say two different things. Like when a man put him brand side of Vibes Cartel like a man say Gaza genocide, it's not the same thing, bro. Like when Vibes Cartel did the inner alliance and him walk well if it, bro. So stop it. You see me? Cause yo, you know like when intense them they say data player or something like that or young player when them did align them brand to vendetta. Not the same thing bro. It no mean say them farm one deal or it's just a collaboration bro. It's a collaboration. It's not me being a part of a brand. You know what was a merger? MVP. MVP was a merger with Jamil, Alkaline and Movado. That was a merger. So when one of them walk away, then it will look like say yo them walk away from the merger, them walk away from the brand or whatever. That would have more sound like what you try say. Like you try compare it to when Vibes Cartel left the alliance and the merger there are still not the same thing. But it would have been closer. So when a man say yo Gaza genocide, bro, him can left and do what he want to do. I know nothing formal, I know nothing official, bro. The man a make it sound like say, yo, Gaza people them like them miss Masicka. Like him a say, yo, wanna let Masicka go, no? And then like him a make it sound like say, yo, that means a Masicka is a big deal and him integral to the crew. So when him walk away, wanna feel it and wanna miss him. That's why I wanna behave so hurt on the internet. And so the man a talk, you know, bro. And as me say, he must say them something here and he must word it the way there to get a reaction from the Gaza nation and people in the comment section. The next thing when me notice him say, he must say, yo, the reason why him is no longer a part of Gaza because Vybz Cartel say God is the greatest and the fans them must say something else. So it's like the fans them now say what Vybz Cartel say. So somebody go in the comment section and say, bro, remember say Vybz Cartel say him evolve but him fan them not evolve. Hear him reply to the person. Yup, he never lied. So here the brother you know reply to him and say, yeah, obviously so stop forward on the internet and a ball because Gaza not change, you see me? Yeah, Gaza not have no change or change. Yo, the brother him lose it, you know, bro. Him lose it, bro. Because I hate make him attack, so you know. Because all the way man say a common sense. Everybody knows say yo, when the man say Gaza genocide, it no mean say yo, the man they in a Gaza now. Or him put him brand with Gaza that's yo, if him left, I like him left Gaza. Bro, stop it man. So the next thing what the man say, him say Vybz Cartel. So the next thing him say, because Vybz Cartel now instruct him fans them again, so them out here do them own thing. And then he take a job at Gaza uncle again and say, yo, Vybz Cartel stop instructing fans them so what him a do now, him a use a third party. So the third party there him a insinuate say a Gaza uncle the third party we a vlog and a say some things. So bro, again, you sound like a clown. When Vybz Cartel ever instruct Gaza Nation for do nothing. As a matter of fact, when an artist ever instruct them fan base for do nothing. Only thing artists instruct them fan base for do, I buy their music and stream their music. And not even that Vybz Cartel used to do. So when you talk about say, yo, Vybz Cartel stop instruct Gaza Nation. I know him I use a third party. You see the word in the instruct. This the fan base again and like him I say, yo, some sheep thing and you see me, we have to take instruction and Vybz Cartels stop talk to, you know, and him I use him vlogger for talk to we. Bro. And the reason why him always a call uncle name and always a throw jobs at uncle, uncle are the one of the reason why him a crash out. Because probably him a say, yo, the linkage where Vybz Cartel have with uncle, I should have them have the linkage there. Alright, so which part it's sealed now? And when I say yesterday at the interview, bro, the man say, input Gaza Nation and the team on a level with the Fox 5 interview. And then the man say, yo, if Vybz Cartel are go pre him for him opinion, then that means that him and Vybz Cartel never did for link then because him want talk for him mind and if Vybz Cartel are pre him for that, then I just saw it go. Me tell you say him want say some things, you know, but him probably not brave enough to say it, but probably one day him cup go overflow and him say it, but him still mention the interview and him still talk about say yo, Vybz Cartel are pre him and him and Vybz Cartel look like them in a things and you see me something like that him a try say, but I know but I never when me think him did I go say, me think him did I go say more brawling like say yo, look how me give Vybz Cartel the Fox 5 interview and the man forward on and not even pay me no mind or something like that, but him still say it. You see me? Him still say what me think him did I go say. And bro, the man say some other things in the end like the man I say, yo, the popcaan thing now like the man I say, yo, masicka don't want to be a popcaan way fully loyal to Vybz Cartel and popcaan like him can't pass Vybz Cartel like popcaan can't be the king because him under the Gaza umbrella. Bro, hear what me have to say about this. The way how Vybz Cartel great. You see popcaan the second to Vybz Cartel. I still one level where masicka can't reach, where wholly where 90% of dancehall artists can't reach. The way of Vybz Cartel great, man. I say it again. Popcaan is second to Vybz Cartel, so even if popcaan no pass Vybz Cartel, that is an achievement just for be second to Vybz Cartel, bro. Masicka should have aim for pass popcaan, not aiming for pass Vybz Cartel because at least when you aim for pass popcaan, then you're closer to Vybz Cartel. So your ambition they all over the place. And when Wizard say right now, it don't make no sense because Masicka not there nowhere near to a popcorn level. So what him a try to say is Masicka want to be the king and popcorn don't want to be no king. Bro, you're not there nowhere near popcorn. And your career, you're there over 10 years now in the game. You're never gonna be like a popcorn. You're never gonna reach on a popcorn level. It's too late for that. You have to start off your 5-year career or your 6-year career. I hit the stage running. I hit the international running. Like even a skilly bang, bro. Something like so you have to start well. I hit the billboard running. I hit some accolades running, bro. I know you don't have a billboard. You don't have a gold, you don't have a silver. So all you talk about pass Vybez Cartel when you can't even pass popcorn. You know how far them two man they from everybody else in the dancehall. So yeah, me agree say if you have ambition to be the king, but levels to it, bro. Levels. So the last thing what the man has said now, like him say, yo, back in the days, yo, I seal again, no, cause me talk about them something, you know. The man say, yo, back in the days, vlogging did nice, cause them a play music and Gaza people a party on the internet every day and a have fun. Him and Yeti boss, that him say, you know, this man a try omit and erase the fact that them man a dey out here a play music and a beat alkaline. That a did Gaza vlogging. Play music, yes, you're correct, and beat alkaline. Call him Batuash, call him Brata, him not get no youth. Them 3 things there, daily. Bro, you know what time I listen to them man a vlog and switch to something else as a Gaza man? Yeah, because it get repetitive. And me know I know me alone, bro. Yeah, it did nice and thing and me not tell a lie. Me tell you I'm not on the internet for cap. Yeah, during the time there, it did nice and thing, but I know something where me have to listen to. I know something where probably me have my favorite TV show and me not watch it for all a week now because me just a focus on YouTube and I hear what the vlogger them have to say. Bro, a whole heap of time me lock off on us because unpredictable, when I say the same thing over and over and it get annoying and boring to me. You see me? Yeah, so that was Gaza vlogging back in the days and him say it. Me say it and him come say it right now, but him a try omit the part when him used to beat alkaline daily. I mean not the alkaline vlogger daily. Me thought them used to beat alkaline every day and play music. So yeah, him correct right there so. But this man a go on like say, yo, bro, Gaza Nation a Wednesday, Gaza Nation start beat artists and tear down artists and bro, Gaza Nation no beat and no tear down artists. Once you go against Gaza, then Gaza go retaliate. And when Gaza retaliate, people cry. And that's the thing, you know. When always a trouble the giant. And when the giant step on the ball out. You see me? Like Dovey Magnum. Bro, every day this man look like him a forward on the internet and crash out and a ball. And I make a fool of himself. And him a lose subscribers. Well, more than say him a lose subscribers because him not have the big channel again. Him a use the big channel for something else. You see me? So him start a new channel. So you wouldn't know if him a lose subscribers or not. But every day the man a ball, bro, and the people in the comment section are 50-50. Some people say a fox him attack. And you know say I don't know Gaza. The real Gaza man now say a fox him attack, bro. You see me? Because him a use words like Vybez Cartel I give instruction and Vybez Cartel stop the instruction to Gaza Nation and we act like say yo we miss Masicka because Masicka left the Gaza now and every day we out there like we have balls and Masicka gone. You see me, them words them I use and some so-called Gaza man in the chat say a fox him attack. So yo bro, the man a crash out bro. And people don't make them trick you know because me talk about it yesterday, me talk about it the day before yesterday. And all of that, and I must say, I be a Masicka we are talk about. Remember, it's a series me deal with, you know. So when we beat people in a series. In a hurricane, they have the Andrew Wellness series. People are bald, so. What day you have the Sir P series, people love the one there. You see me, when I say you're Sir P miss, I say Sir P afraid to call Vybez Cartel name. The whole of them something seal too, you know. Because him end up left YouTube there, you know. All of them something when me the talk say seal off, you know. Predict the whole of them something, you know. So, me deal with things on a series. So, right now, a Masicka series with a pun. You see me? So, every now and then, you're going to hear me beat Masicka or talk about somebody where a different Masicka. Over the main channel, me I go react to the fix. Them a laugh off at Javi. And you know Javi is a Masicka fans. And you could have tell that on the Tamili interview. You see me? But that me I go work on for the DJ Dreadbeard react. When you know say over here, so I drop the video here first. so I can promote it on the big channel. That are the format too. So you get a little sneak peek when I go talk about on the main channel. You see me? Yeah, so I go talk about Naro, Ari and Javi and all them Mac, Javi, cause Javi I say yo. Because Javi over there say a masicka win. Yo, but people, I hear some I cut it, you know. You see me? And yo, I drop a video yesterday. And this a part few. You see me? Because I talk about it yesterday now with the CMJ radar. And I predict say at the interview cause all of this and now him confirm say at the interview so I did right. You see me? So yesterday I already were point to the video there. That's when we make the prediction say at the interview when enough people never know. So me bring that to light. So click on the video with the arrow point, you see me? And subscribe to the channel. And comment real talk if a real talk me I make. Like the video if a real talk me I make. Subscribe to the channel if a real talk me I make. I'm DJ Dreadbeard and this was another episode of Real Talk. Real Talk.